On day one of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Kuwait, he engaged in a series of important diplomatic meetings and cultural exchanges aimed at strengthening bilateral ties. He also interacted with the Indian diaspora and Indian workers at the Gulfspec Workers Camp in Kuwait. Take a look.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the first Indian Prime Minister to visit Kuwait in 43 years. He is visiting the Gulf nation at the invitation of the Emir of the State of Kuwait. Upon landing, he was accorded a warm welcome by the Emir of Kuwait as well as the Indian diaspora. He interacted with 101-year-old ex-IFS officer and his family. Prime Minister Modi also met Abdullah Latif Al-Nisef, the book publisher, and Abdullah Baran, the translator of the Ramayana and the Mahabharat in the Arabic language, and signed a copy of the epic books. Later, he visited a labour camp and enjoyed snacks and beverages with the Indian workers there. He attended a huge diaspora event, Hala Modi, where he spoke about deep India-Kuwait relations.
भारत और कुवैत का रिश्ता सभ्यताओं का है, सागर का है, स्नेह का है, व्यापार कारोबार का है.
He's also taken a jibe at previous governments.
आपको हिंदुस्तान से यहां आना है तो 4 घंटे लगते हैं, प्रधानमंत्री को 4 दशक लग गए.
He heaped praise on digitally smart India.
आज भारत दुनिया के सबसे डिजिटल कनेक्टेड देशों में से एक है. छोटे छोटे शहरों से लेकर गांवों तक हर भारतीय डिजिटल टूल्स का उपयोग कर रहा है.
Prime Minister Modi also thanked Kuwait government for helping out Indians after the Kuwait fire tragedy that had killed about 49 people in the month of June early this year.
अभी इसी साल जून में यहां कुवैत में कितना हृदय विदारक हादसा हुआ, जो अग्निकांड हुआ, उसमें अनेक भारतीय लोगों ने अपना जीवन खोया. लेकिन उस समय कुवैत सरकार ने जिस तरह का सहयोग किया, वो एक भाई ही कर सकता है.
The last Indian Prime Minister to visit Kuwait was Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in the year 1981. In his departure statement, the Prime Minister said his talks with the top Kuwaiti leadership would be an opportunity to chalk out future partnership between India and Kuwait. Bureau Report, India Today.